Hi everyone, I'm Coach Wendy. So this is my YouTube channel. Thank you if you've been here with me for a long time. Welcome, and thank you if you're just joining me for the first time. So I wanted to just make this video to let you know a little bit about the channel and myself. So I am a mindset coach, a life skills coach, law of attraction practitioner, EFT master practitioner. I'm even an energy healer for animals. If you're interested in that, please know that I work with pet owners rather than the actual animal. Okay, so that's kind of a little bit about who I am on a professional level. So on a sort of personal level, what you see is what you get. My videos are not going to be polished. They're not going to be perfect. You know, a lot of the times when I create these videos for this channel, I've had a request from someone, you know, they want to improve their confidence, they want to feel happier today. So I'll go, sure, okay, and I'll jump on, make a video and post it on YouTube. So they're very much, you know, often spur of the moment, so like responses to requests that I've had. You know, it's often easier. I know some people that I you know, that follow me in from different places, whether that's on my Facebook group or, you know, from my newsletters or anywhere else, from the blog. And some people I know prefer the EFT scripts and reading, and some people prefer to watch the videos. Okay, so I like to sort of like give both wherever possible, and I will often link my videos to a blog post as well. So that's a little bit about me. If you like EFT, if you like the law of attraction, affirmations, I love affirmations. I love sharing affirmations as well. They're like positive, well, they're questions that kind of trick your subconscious mind. And a lot of people prefer these over affirmations, which can sometimes feel like a lie if you're not doing them right. Okay, so feel free to make any requests. You know, if you wake up and you think, oh, I'm not feeling great today, and you just want a little bit of a boost, or if there's something specific like you want a confidence boost, I've already got videos for confidence boosts and things like that anyway, but just drop me a message and I'm happy to jump on, create a video. As I say, they're not going to be perfect, they're not going to be polished, but I hope you'll get a lot of value from them. Take care, bye.